welcome to Knowledge Platform's LMS tutorial series. In today's video, we'll be showing you how a campus admin can use filters to go through multiple users or find the relevant user in a list of, let's say, 100 or 1000 users. So first of all, what you'll have to do is log in to your campus admin account, and there you can go to the users section. Here you can see that I have scores of users here, and we have multiple pages. You can see a lot of pages here. I want relevant users and I want to edit the user role or do something about it. So what I will do is use these filters on the right side of your screen. First of all, we can use the search, and we can search by username or even full name or by email, but I'll search by username. I want to search the user Saad Alam, so what I'll do is type Saad here, search, and I have Saad Alam, and now I can go and edit Saad's access to certain classes. Secondly, if you want to clear this search, just press here and the search is cleared. Now what we want to do is show you how you can use the grade and subject filter. So let's say I want to check grade 7 mathematics students, how many are there. So grade 7 mathematics, and all the grade 7 mathematics users are in front of me. I can go one by one and edit their information. So this is the list of grade 7 mathematics users. Or maybe I'll go to grade 7 physics. I'll find none because grade 7 does not have physics, grade 10 physics, and here we go. So this is how you use filters and search bar to narrow down your search. So hope you like this video, hope this was helpful. See you in the next one. Till then, thank you.